I'm not even trying to say it in a bad way, I'm just saying I'm a really competitive person and I really want to win.
Man up, man up.
Right, men, so myself and Shane have kind of been discussing, you know, the kind of important roles, such as, you know, the captaincy. So we were kind of had a few ideas in our head, but me and Shane want to hear it from me. What do you think who would be, you know, a good candidate amongst yourselves?
I have two, Dara or Cole.
I think Dara.
Cole. Dara or Cole.
I'd say Cole as captain.
I hear what you're saying about Dara, but like, we were all messing yesterday, and like Cahill wasn't messing, and like everybody else, including Dara, was. So I think Cahill should be our.
That's fair. Hugo?
Cahill and Asher and Dara, probably.
Probably Cahill or Dara.
Call yourself.
I'd say Sean. He's at the first base and he's aware of everyone around him, and he's a supportive teammate.
Lastly, Jacob, yourself, what are your thoughts?
I don't know who.
You don't know who?
Nope.
You just think everyone is doing a good job?
Yeah.
Which is good.
From the start, kind of, we've seen Cahill, and he's been doing a great job leading in the outfield. I know a couple of you said that, so we think Cahill would be a great man to have as our captain out there anyway. But we were thinking of maybe somebody in around the bases as well. Kind of they showed up really well. They have a great voice in there and they're leading well. So kind of we were thinking maybe Cahill as our captain and Asher as a little backup as our vice captain.
I don't know. I just didn't think that I was going to get it. Like, I don't know. I just didn't think that it was for me.
I understand why Dara wasn't picked, because he's the pitcher and he's kind of like a captain of himself, really, you know, like.
I don't really think backup should have been Asher. Like, I get why Cahill was, but Asher, I just don't really think it should have been. Like, really, and even, you know, no one really said it should have been him. Like, everyone had said me or Cahill, mostly, and then they just went and gave it to Cahill and Asher. So I found that a bit annoying, like. I'm still just gonna help whatever way I can. Hopefully, just like, in general, just hopefully make them regret their decision.
Be a man. Be a man.
You're not alive, boys, so you start kicking.